Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to open a stuck bottle cap easily. This will be a step-by-step tutorial with super easy instructions, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a nice fresh bottle of sparkling water, and we're going to pretend that this bottle cap is stuck. Because although I can probably open this one without an issue, oftentimes, depending on what the situation is, a bottle cap might be stuck. Now this will apply to plastic bottles like this. It'll apply to glass bottles with caps, like for instance jars and stuff like that. It's all going to be a very similar method, okay? And there are many ways to do this, but I'm going to show you the #1 best way, and you probably won't need any other method. All that you need is a rubber band. Now here's the beautiful thing. Everybody in their kitchen, you got that drawer. We call it the junk drawer maybe, or maybe it's a junk section of a drawer, okay, of a regular drawer. And you have, your elastics in that drawer. You have your bread bag tabs in that drawer, your milk bag tabs. We all have it. In my house, okay, we have our cutlery drawer, which is a nice drawer, but then there's, at the top, there's these two little compartments. One is for like the twist ties, the bread bag tags, blah, 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 the milk bag tags, milk bag clips, all that stuff. And the other one's for elastics. So everybody's got some elastics in the kitchen, and you're probably gonna be opening your bottle in the kitchen as well. So it's very convenient, okay? What you wanna do is take your elastic, and it can be any elastic as long as it's nice and grippy, okay? And you want to wrap the elastic around just the cap, not this part, just the part that will be twisting, which is just this top part over here, okay? So I'm going to wrap it around the cap, and you want to wrap it, as many times as you can, basically. And it can be difficult to do. I'm struggling with it now, but what I recommend is just wrap it around, and then you can move it after to be only on the cap. So right now I wrapped it around. Some of it's on the bottom, so what I'm going to do is I'm essentially going to be moving it so that it's only on the cap, okay? Now you can do it as many times or as few times as you want. I'm gonna just wrap it one more time around here just like this, and maybe I'm gonna do another one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna break the elastic. No, we're good. So I wrapped it enough times that it is quite tight around there. What this is gonna do is this is gonna give you super duper grip over the cap, okay? Generally speaking, the cap is, if you can't open it, if it's a stuck bottle cap, okay, it's going to be because it's too tightly in place and because maybe you can't get a good enough grip. It's either one or the other or a combination of both. If it's too tightly in place and you have a good amount of strength, then guess what? The elastic is going to give you like infinite grip, like Hulk-like grip, okay? So it also, listen, it also doesn't hurt that I got these monsters of forearms, okay? Listen, look, if you got forearms like this, you're probably not going to have any issues. But I'm kidding. There's sometimes when I can't open a bottle cap, even with these beasts over here, okay? So wrap the elastic around, get a good grip of the elastic, and get your hand in a position where you can essentially turn your hand. You got enough torque power. Like here's the regular position of my hand. I'm going like this so I have enough to twist. And I'm going to show you a bonus. So you're ready to twist the top and the bottom. You're going to twist the bottom as well in the opposite direction. So not only am I twisting the cap to open it up, but I'm twisting the bottom in the opposite direction. You're going to do that together? Yeah! Just, whoa, whoa, just like that. Woo! Oh, it's close. I almost had it explode in the car. Once you've twisted it a little bit, then all you got to do is remove the rest of the cap. It's that easy. And then you can have your nice sip of bubbly water, baby. I'm super dehydrated right now. So I'm going to drink some water. When I film a lot of videos in a row, excuse me, sorry about that. I knew that was going to happen. I knew I was going to burp. When I film a lot of videos in a row, I generally don't drink water because I'm just go momentum, right? I'll do like 10 to 15, 20 videos in a row sometimes. And by the end of it, I'm like literally I'm so dehydrated. But anyways, that's how to open. Ooh, be careful. Oh, that was close. That's how to open a stuck bottle cap easily, a step-by-step tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.